L. Live like a superhero, changing lives of people. I. Influence others to live a healthy life. F. Flourish with an amazing business model. E. Engage the consumers effectively. L. Leverage unlimited opportunities. Y. Yield good returns. Lively, an initiative aimed to bring a change in the lives of people with a portfolio of more than 120 healthiest and life-changing products. Join hands with Lively and see how Lively partners benefits from the program. The sales development representative will develop regional sales channel, appoint sales consultant, CNF agent, distributor and stockist, as well as approach high-profile influencer and hospitals. Commission 5%. The stockist will invest and maintain stock in their warehouse. Commission 5%. Distributors will invest and maintain stocks, while their marketing and sales employees will approach potential retailers and influencers. Commission 7.5 to 10%. Sales consultant will develop and appoint distributors and stockists, sales channel in their region. Commission 2%. Lively employee will develop partner channel. Commission salary plus 1%. Distributors employee will commission salary plus 1%. Prime influencers or hospitals will offer products to their consumers, will offer products to their clients. Commission 10%. Multi-store supermarkets will invest and maintain stocks in their warehouse and keep physical products in their store to sell it to their consumers. If their consumer enroll in Lively loyalty program, the supermarket gets 5% whenever their affiliated clients buys from lively.in. Commission 15%. CNF agents invest and maintain stocks in their warehouse as per the potential of their region. Commission 5%. Retailers like provision stores, health stores, and medical stores. Influencers like bloggers, YouTubers, bloggers, podcasters, and social media influencers. Health specialists like nutritionists, chefs and dietitians. Wellness service providers like yoga trainers, health coach, gym owner, and related service providers, as well as all types of doctors, will remain connected with the end consumers of Lively and offer products to them. Commission 10%. The supermarket stores will be affiliated with their respective multi-store supermarkets. Commission 5%. The end consumer will get 5% through the loyalty points. Lively will also provide remarkable value-added services to all partners. Small retail shop, non-video kiosk with product pack and testing kits. Big retailers, kiosk with 12-inch video screen, come interactive tablet, showing product feature and offering more information to the consumers. The consumers can access the website from it and order products. Doctors, hospitals, dietitian clinics, video-based kiosks. Other than offering great commission and value-added benefits, Lively will do extensive digital marketing activities to create awareness and acquire consumers at national level. It will also be engaged in various offline promotional activities. It will keep the consumers engaged constantly with health consultation and health app. Here is a glimpse of how Lively partners will enjoy additional benefits, nutritionists, more value-added services through our products to their new and existing clients. Easy calorie management with our packaged products, long-term relation with their clients, and mouth publicity. Promotion at city, state, and national level through our internal partner blog, health app, and on our website through services page. getting new clients, additional income and value-added services, international level seminars and certification. Gym owner, easy to carry and fast consuming healthy options for their members. Faster results from our products due to precise content details. All nutrient option, macro and micro in liquid, powder and many in final food forms. Additional income. Promotion of their gym in our health app and consumer blog. Support them in getting new customers. International certification course option. Virtual nutrition mapping for gyms without dietitians. Support in the diet part through our website and our health consultants. Doctors. Their suggested medicine will be more effective with our superfood-based ingredients. Health app can give customized diet. National level nutritionist consultancy for their patients. Additional consistent income. Mouth publicity. Host of benefits and amazing results. Lively is committed to offer health and wealth to the society with groundbreaking products and revolutionary initiatives. Join Lively's life-changing program and make the most of it. Be lively, join Lively.